In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google account in just 5 minutes. Whether you need it for personal use, for your child, or as a professional email for business, creating a Google account is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step, so let's get started. First, open a web browser on your device and head over to the Google sign-in page. You'll see the sign-in panel, and right there you should look for an option labeled Create Account. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose why you are creating the account. You'll have 3 options to consider: for myself, for my child, or to manage my business. Select the one that best fits your use case by simply clicking on it. Now the next step is to provide your first and last name. Google uses this information to personalize your account. Once you've entered your name, click on Next. You'll be directed to a page where you need to set your birthday and specify your gender. Fill in these details accurately, since this information can help with account recovery and to personalize your Google experience. After typing in the required info, hit Next once more. Now it's time to create your Google username. This will also serve as your new Gmail address, so choose wisely. Ensure it's something unique and easy for you to remember. Once you've decided on a username, click Next. The following screen will ask you to create a password. It's important to use a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Once you've entered a robust password, you'll be prompted to enter it again to confirm. Then go ahead and click Next. You'll now move on to verify your email address. This is typically done by sending a verification code to a phone number or an alternate email address if you've linked one. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this step. While not mandatory, providing recovery information like a phone number or an alternate email can be extremely useful if you ever need to regain access to your account. Consider adding these details for added security. Finally, you'll be asked to agree to Google's terms and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to read through these sections to understand how your data will be handled. Once you've reviewed and you're comfortable with the terms, click on I agree. With all these steps completed, follow any remaining on-screen instructions to finalize your account creation. And there you have it, a brand new Google account in just a few minutes. Now you're ready to explore all the services Google offers, from Gmail to Google Drive and beyond. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.